Shiba Inu has a new exchange listing today. Let's talk about what that is and how it will affect the price of this coin. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my Shiba Inu coin analysis. And if you guys want to pick up a free stock and start trading Shiba Inu on the same platform, you guys can hit the link down in the description below for Public. Public is a great social investing network app that allows you to see what other people are talking about, buying and selling in both the crypto and stock markets. They just recently added Shiba Inu to their roster of tradable coins. So you guys want to hop on there and not only get a free stock with our link, but also hop on there and start trading Shiba Inu as well. You guys can do that with the description link down below. Also guys, real quick too, let us know in the comments below how many Shiba Inu tokens you guys are holding. Every video you kill it with the amount of support that you guys show for us and just how many tokens you guys are holding, and it's always incredible to see the massive amount of support that you guys show for us every single video, and to the fact that the Shiba Inu army is growing daily and always very strong in our comments down below. So either way, let us know. Hit the subscribe button too. We're trying to get to 100K by Christmas. Let's see if we can do it, guys, but either way, let's get right into this video. Alrighty guys, exchange listings, all kinds of stuff going on. Let's talk about Shiba Inu. Again, we were up very nice yesterday, just up around the 12% mark, around the 7.2 to 7.3 level. Unfortunately, as you can see here, we are pulling back just a little bit here at about 3.76% down on the day at the 6.893 level. But again, guys, not worried really much at all about that. We are consolidating quite nicely between these two resistance channels from our previous all-time high and the previous low that it made directly after. Again, those are the big resistance channels that we've continued to basically test and not really break through. So again, holding very steady. And guys, the reason I like to point this out is because last time this happened, right, we had our first major pump, major decline, first major pump, major decline, right? Just showing you the similarities there. And then a little bit more volatility, a little bit push upward. And then all of a sudden Shiba Inu started to kind of flatline and kind of stall out or pretty much just consolidate, right? Go into a bit of a consolidation period here for a couple of days. Now, look at what we're having here, right? Huge pump up for the first part of it, bit of a dump down, again, some more consolidation, push up, and now we're starting to consolidate just kind of around these levels, which is good news in my opinion. It's good news because it means that not only are we supporting these new levels that we're at, but we're also having the potential to start moving higher relatively soon, because as you can see, again, I want to be very clear about this, past patterns do not always predict future outcomes. Just because this is how it happened in the past doesn't necessarily mean that that's how it's going to happen in the future. However, if we look, I mean, the similarities between these two rallies are strikingly similar. And as long as we go into a consolidation period for a significant amount of time and hold at these levels very well, again, guys, not too concerned about it. If anything, I'm just very excited about it, and I'm really looking forward to where this is going. Now, before we get into the exchange listing here, let's go to crypto market cap real quick here. We are still ranked number 9, guys, overall in the overall cryptocurrency market. We can even go to rankings here so you guys have a better visual understanding. Here you go. We're just behind Polkadot here. Again, market cap's been shed off a little bit here. We're just barely above Dogecoin here, but again, I really don't think it's that hard to stay above Dogecoin because it's kind of just a terrible coin to begin with. Roasted. Anyways, next, as you can see, we're in the red. You know, that's unfortunate, obviously. But again, we're going to have these kind of days, guys. We're kind of flatlining, consolidating, not flatlining because flatlining is a bad word. I would say we're more consolidating than anything, trying to kind of establish a better support till we can move into those higher highs. Again, the circulating supply is still at 549 billion. But again, guys, that was supposed to be fixed. I don't know if it is fixed. There's so many rumors and speculation about whether or not that is the correct circulating supply. And that's one of the big reasons why we saw that big pullback from the massive run that we were on. And unfortunately, guys, it's just kind of the way it is. So keep a close eye on that. We're definitely obviously keeping a close eye on it and just trying to make sure that that is legit as well. Now, let's talk Kraken, right? So Kraken is the exchange today that will be listing Shiba Inu. And this is a big win for Shiba Inu, in my opinion. This is going to not only draw in more customers and more, or not customers, more investors, I guess, to Shiba Inu's platform and have the ability to able to buy and sell Shiba Inu on their platform is a big deal, right? Kraken employs quite a few of, users who are going to look at that and say, oh wow, like, hey, let me buy some Shiba Inu with some extra money that I have laying around in my account. Again, plenty of people use this platform to buy and sell cryptocurrency, and just any platform that is listing Shib and making Shib available for you guys to invest in is, in my opinion, a great thing, right? This is a great catalyst. Now you might be thinking, well, why is it red today then? Well, Kraken unfortunately has not listed Shiba Inu quite yet. I even checked their website, and again, it's going to take some time, but again, they have estimates of when it's going to be live. As you can see here, the Kraken Spot Exchange website and API will be undergoing maintenance as we upgrade our systems on Tuesday, November 2nd at 2200 UTC and be unavailable for approximately 15 minutes. So again, Shiba Inu has not really been listed quite yet on Kraken, but again, they're working on it, it seems, behind the scenes. And of course, we're gonna wait and see when that happens. But again, positive news there. Let's read the article though. Oh, they want me to turn off my ad blocker. Classic. Anyways, let's read this article here. As you can see, it is the crypto exchange Kraken promises to list Shiba Inu on Tuesday and ask the Shiba army to vote on it. So here's what's very, very interesting, in my opinion, guys. And this is why it kind of ties back into the whole Robinhood argument, which I know you guys are probably sick about hearing. Trust me, I am too. But it's one of the biggest pieces of news right now in the community that people like to talk to. And guys, I'm only going to mention it once. I'm going to very quickly go, segue out of it. But either way, the reason I want to talk about this too is, so the Shiba army votes on it, right? On Twitter, there was a poll that pretty much anybody can vote on. It's saying, hey, what coin do you guys think we should add to our platform next? And there was a bunch of different coins, Shiba Inu, of course, being one of them. And of course, the army absolutely destroyed the poll in a good way, right? They smashed that button to basically vote for Shiba Inu. And of course, now, I mean, here we are in the modern, well, November 2nd, obviously, at 9:47, which is strange because this must be an article written, wait, today's the 2nd, right? Yeah, today's the 2nd. So this was written earlier in the morning in a different part of the United States. But either way, this is good news, right? And the fact that the army was able to actually have a contributing factor in this happening just shows how strong the Shiba Inu army community is. Like, the fact that you guys can vote on this and basically were the main reason why this coin was added to this exchange is great. It's awesome. It's another reason why I believe in this community so heavily, is because when they rally together, when you guys rally together and put your minds to the same thing, especially when we can be a part of the community and do the same as well, it's beautiful, right? It always works out amazing, and it gets us to new catalysts, to new highs, to new pushes up in price. It's incredible, guys, and we love to see that that is something that you guys are constantly being a part of and taking action, and it's very, very cool indeed. And it's very great stuff too as well. Now, again, as you can see here, Kraken said it would list Shiba Inu on its platform on Tuesday. The idea got 2,000 Twitter likes. The Shiba army of fans quickly hit the target, but the coin has not yet appeared on the crypto exchange. But again, it seems more than likely that Kraken is going to list it sooner rather than later. Real quick, guys, I want to touch on something that I know has been a little bit of controversial over the last couple of days, and even like big YouTubers like Austin Hilton, for instance, and Yearpop have talked about this because, of course, they reported on it as well. Any Shiba Inu news, YouTubers have talked about this, and that is the Twitter account that was talking about, I'm not even going to show his account because I don't want to give more attention to his name, but again, it's that Twitter account that was saying that, hey guys, Robinhood's going to be listed on November 1st, and we, of course, all covered it and tried to get that latest piece of information out to you guys, thinking that, okay, maybe this guy has some water to hold. Again, in my video, I was very cautious. I was very saying that, hey guys, again, we don't really, all this guy is a contributor to CNN News. We don't know for sure if this guy knows what he's talking about. We don't know for sure if he's just pulling all this out of his butt. And at the end of the day, it didn't look like that's kind of what happened. He kind of pulled all this out of nowhere, and well, it didn't happen, right? Robinhood didn't get listed on November 1st, still hasn't been listed today, and his last two predictions are Wednesday and Thursday, which again, we have to see. Maybe it'll happen, and if it does, then he'll prove us all wrong, I guess. But again, guys, I apologize in advance for covering that, and unfortunately, there was drama with it. People in the comments were a little bit upset about it. So I am sorry about that. Again, we're trying to do better in the future and trying to give you guys more relevant news and information that is not just FUD, and help you guys out there in any way that we can. But guys, sorry about that. I just wanted to apologize. Just to wrap this whole video up, again, Shiba Inu is consolidating very nicely at these levels. I'm looking forward to where it's headed in the future. I really think that there's still enough upward momentum and volume flowing into this coin every single day that we could see some higher highs very soon. As long as we continue to get more catalysts, more pieces of news and information, and as long as the social conversation around this coin continues, like we see on Twitter, on Instagram, on TikTok, any other kind of major app where people can talk about this coin, as long as the trends stay up to date, as long as the conversation continues, I think that we can still see new highs relatively soon. Guys, keep it locked here because we always post the latest and up-to-date information on Shiba Inu. Make sure to subscribe, guys. We're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers by Christmas. We get like 5,000 to 6,000 views on like our worst performing videos. Hopefully this is a really great one. It gets like 20,000 views. Either way, like the video so it gets there and subscribe. But other than that, that's it for this coin. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. If you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, hit our link down in the description below. Public is a great social investing network app that allows you to see what other people are buying, selling, and talking about in the crypto and stock markets. They also just recently added Shiba Inu to their roster of tradable tokens. So if you guys want to hop on there and start picking up some free Shiba, or well, not free Shiba Inu, but you get a free stock when you use our link, and then you guys can get on there and start trading Shiba Inu as well. Hit the link down in the description below. Make sure to subscribe so we can hit 100K by Christmas, guys. And other than that, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.